Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you and show you how we can make parts of images brighter or adjust the image brightness in Canva in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to your image or photo project here on Canva, left click into it. I'm going to use that image of that presentation here, right? So if the page features an image like that, select the given page of the presentation. After that, click into edit, choose image. And here in the editor, guys, select either the click tool that is going to allow you to click into specific objects on your image to adjust or to customize its appearance later, or you may use the brush tool here. I'm going to use the brush tool. You can also go with the foreground, background, and so on and so forth. So there are different select area tools here. Now, what you want to do is select auto detect and adjust the brush size. So in this case, I would like to make, let's say, that forest here look brighter because that's so dark. So highlight the area with the brush like this, so that it roughly covers the area you would like to customize. As you can see, it has been selected. Next, click into Tools and adjust here. And here, what you want to do is scroll down to Brightness and adjust the brightness of the highlighted area. So let me go with, you see the effect here to the right. So as you can see, if I move the brightness slider to the right, it will look like this, but you can also make it darker. Looks like a really dark forest now, but that's at least how it works. Let me look at really bright so that the sun shines on it really bright, and that's it. If you're content with the result, leave it like that and return to the previous menu, or you can reset the adjustments to remove that effect. Click into deselect to unselect the brush and return to the previous menu, or you may use the undo buttons here at the top as well. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.